Alright guys, we were having a little chuckle the other day that my grandson should become a robot mechanic. That'll be lots of work for him in the future fixing robots. But you know what, his grandpa is kind of a robot mechanic. Mind you, these are internal combustion robots, internal combustion engine powered robots, but still they do a lot more work than one person can do. You know, like rototill in the garden, sweeping out the garage and sidewalks, and cutting grass and leaf blowing. The snow blowers are in the shed, of course, along with the chainsaws. So yeah, we've got a lot of robots kicking around here. And some people have a hard time fixing them. And some of them are hard to fix. You know, like that little robot that rototills your garden there. That one was a little bit surgy, and we finally had to. I finally found the main jet needed to be completely cleaned out. So, anyway, robot mechanic. Thanks.